Here at the front of the car, you're going to actually have an L bracket, not in the shape of this, but it will come down and go towards the outside of the car with the two holes on the bottom. Once the splitter is attached, then you come in and install this bracket. That way you can have this bracket set directly on top of the splitter, making sure to push the splitter up flush with the outside, and then have this bracket come down, set on top of the splitter, and then mark your hole and install. There is a factory hole here. You start with that hole, mark every 11 inches. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 brackets. You will install every one of these 11 inches apart. Then you come to this factory nut, drop it, put a bracket. This factory nut, drop it, install a bracket as well. And then this piece is not bent like the orange one you have, but what you do with this is pull down your jack point here. Take this off, put this on top of it with the bolt going through, and attach it on the top. And the way this is bent, you will align it to the top of your splitter. Mark the holes, drill them, and then install it. You will also want to install a nutsert along this area, mark a hole and drill a hole through here, installing a nutsert right along here, if you can see. Right along that area. And what that does is, since this piece is long, it will give it support to hold the back of the splitter up. Moving back to the front of the car, you'll have, I'm not sure, but I believe there may be a factory hole here. But what you do is, this is your jack point. Here's your splitter. Now, so if you see how this is cut out for your jack, in between here, this piece that comes out, that's how you want to mark it. Put that bracket facing forward so it'll grab the hole that you have to drill on the outside, holding this end of the splitter up. Same thing with this. Once you have that bracket installed, which is the last bracket you should install, it will hold the front of the splitter up on this end.